check out these cute little coffee bean cookies. Join me while I cook some. Half a tablespoon of boiling water to a half a tablespoon of instant coffee. Stir to dissolve. To a medium bowl, add 1/3 cup of room temperature butter. Add 2/3 of a cup of soft icing sugar. Mix the butter and the icing sugar until it becomes a creamy texture. Add 1 egg yolk to the butter and icing sugar. Mix until well combined. Next, add the dissolved instant coffee. Stir until combined. Sieve 1 cup of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix to form a biscuit or cookie dough. Use your hands if you like. Using a teaspoon, measure out each coffee bean cookie. Roll the dough in a circular motion until the dough forms a circle, then lightly squeeze into a shape of a coffee bean. Place each cookie on a lined baking tray. Using a spatula or a back of a knife, indent the centre of each cookie. Place the cookies in the fridge for 20 minutes or the freezer for 8 minutes. Preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake coffee bean cookies for 10 to 12 minutes. Remove cookies from the oven and leave to cool on a baking tray for 2 minutes. Then place each of the cookies on the cooling rack until cooled completely. Subscribe and like, and let me know in the comments below what's your favourite beverage.